Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay. Yesterday class video is working or not? That is audio. Anyone tried yesterday video? I think audio problem, right? I don't know. So anyone check?
ఆడియో
Yes, sir.
వీడియో రెండు బ్లర్ గానే ఉన్నాయి సార్. ట్రై చేశాను.
Okay. Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class already we seen, right? So some of Linux commands and all. So what is piping and how to create so multiple commands in single line, how to create multiple commands in single line, and so with the help of semicolon and with the help of so and symbol, double and symbol, and also last class we seen, right, piping. If you want to run multiple commands, so mostly we are using pipeline. If you want to pass one command output to another command input, so like that, if you want to run, so that case mostly we are using so piping and all. And so and also last class we seen, right, some of regular expressions as well as right, star and question mark. Star represents one or more characters,
వన్
and
ఆర్ మోర్
what is
క్యారెక్టర్స్.
question mark represents single character. So can you see my screen? This is and where is value? Okay, full on. So last class we seen, right, so what are regular expressions, and also last class just we know, right, star question mark represents what is this? This is the only single character. This is only single character. So this is only so single character. Let me increase font size and all. Now is it okay? Okay. So last class we seen, right, so last class okay, it is coming 8. Okay. So this is the question mark. Question mark represents what is this? This is a single character. This is a single character. So star represents more than one character.
One
So
more
this is
time.
multiple characters. That is nothing but group of characters. So star represents right, group of characters. That is more than one character. And also right, so now so represents only one character, that is single character. Star represents multiple characters. And if you want to pass multiple characters, mostly we are using array. This is nothing but array. So array means that is range of character. So how many characters you want to pass? So sometimes if you want to search multiple characters, some range of characters, and that case we can use this is the range range of character. How many characters you want to search, or how many characters you want to include, how many characters you want to exclude. So what are the characters? So those and all we are passing. So example means, for example, if I give like ABC, if I give like this ABC, so what is this meaning here? This is array. So this is nothing but either we can so A or B or C. So if you pass like this, so here A or B or C. So this is range of character, right? So it will check A or B or C, whatever. So it will check all characters. I don't want so only ABC. I want to accept ABC. So that case we can use exclamatory mark. So exclamatory mark, if I give like this, accept ABC, it won't accept A, accept A, B, C, accept A, B and C. Remaining all it will display. So these are based on depends on your requirement. We can pass multiple ways. So these are some of ways. For example, I want to only lower cases. I want to pass only lower case. So that case we can check it like A. This is the so A to Z, A to Z. All are lower case. So these all are only lower cases. Only any lowercase alphabetic. Only lower case. Any. So that is lowercase alphabets. Alphabets. Okay. Alpha, alpha, alphabets characters. Suppose if you want to only uppercase, so that case capital. So which character it will allow? Only uppercase. Only so only uppercase. Right? Case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase or uppercase. So I want to both. I want to both. If you want to both, so now tell me. If you want to both, so that case we can use. So that case we can use. So that case we can use uppercase or lowercase both. So that case we can use. So that case we can use. So A to Z, and the same upper A to capital Z. So this in this case all characters A to Z. If you want to, we can pass uppercase any alphabet symbol. So that might be lowercase or uppercase, whatever it may be, both uppercase and lowercase plus lowercase. So we can pass both way. We can pass both way. Suppose if you want to only numbers, that case we can use. So these all are the regular expressions. So these all are the regular only digits 0 to 9. Only digits. Only digits 0 to 9 digits only. 0 to 9. So digits only we can pass. So for example, I want to pass uppercase, lowercase, and that case, right? Z, capital A to Z, and the same way 0 to 9 also. 0 to 9 also. So this is in this case any alpha, any numeric as well as any characters also. So the character
Lower.
uppercase or lowercase, or we can pass 0 to 9 any number. So if you want to pass any number in between only 0 to 9 only, right? If you want to pass any character, any string, any name, so whether we can pass uppercase or whether we can pass lowercase. So these are the lower. These are the lower. Now only any lowercase alphabetic symbol. Only I want to pass lowercase. So that case there is many ways we can pass. So this is a double colon only lowercase. So only so lower colon. So these are how we can use. We can see later. So just remember this is only lowercase. Everything is lowercase. Okay, whatever you want, we can pass everything in so lowercase only. So everything we can pass lowercase only. The uppercase, if you want to pass any, this is only lowercase. If you want to pass only uppercase. So that case we can use so double colon only upper colon. So this and all real time mostly we are using file validation and all. If you want to compare any, so if you want to compare any uppercase alphabetic symbol, so that case we are checking so only uppercase validity. And if you want to pass any digits, so if you want to pass any digits, so that case we can use like this also. I want to check only numbers. Apart from this, I don't want anything. Only only numbers. So that case simply we can use this one also, digit colon. It will verify. It will verify only digits from 0 to any digits. Any from 0 to 9 only. 0 to 9. So these all are validation purpose. Mostly we are passing. But if you know, so coming classes I am using mostly this type way. So that case we can easily understand. So star represents, right, more than one character. Question mark represents only one character, and this is a range of character. If you want to pass many characters, so that case we can use array. This is nothing but array symbol, group of characters. Only ABC. So now see here, these are the example. I want to pass only lower case. I want to pass only uppercase. I want to pass both. I want to pass only digits are mixed. So if you want to validate only lower case, that case this is the syntax. I want to validate only uppercase. This is the syntax. If you want to validate only digits, this is the syntax. So this is the syntax. So this is the syntax. Now if you come to here, right, so how to check it. Now already last class also we seen. So right now I don't have anything. Let me create a few files. Okay. So I am using so dev. I am creating multiple files, 1 to 9 files, and so these all are flower bracket, right? So 1 to 9 dot, so 1 to 9 dot extension txt. Or if you don't want, we can leave it, okay, ls. Now see here. So how many created? Now check it here. So ll. So ll. So these all are files or directories? Only files, the regular files, not directories. How I know this is file based on this first character? This is empty means hyphen means this is only file. So directory means so mk mkdir mk
dir.
mkdir. And if you want to pass multiple directories, so this is I am using so whatever it may be, that is okay. Now if you want to more than, so now we can pass 5. I want these are the directories. Mkdir means directories. Now see here ll. Now these all are the directories and these all are the files. Now I want to display only files. Starts with dev. So that case, see here all are 4 letters, right? Now I can pass like this also. ls space question mark question mark question mark question mark. So now how many characters? 4 characters. First character any, third characters also anything, second characters also any character, and fourth also any character. Now clear? It will display only, it will display only, see here. Suppose if I pass like this, what is the output? Anyone guess it? What is the output? I given only 3 question marks. What is that meaning? The file name should or
Three
directory name should
characters.
only 3 characters. Do you have any 3 characters as of now? No, right?
No, no character.
No, no.
No,
There
sir.
is no file. See here, cannot access. No such file or directory. So now I want to start ll space d. Now question mark question mark question mark. What is this meaning? First letter should be d. Remaining 3 characters anything. Now total how many characters? 4. Now see here, it will
4.
display 4. It will display 4. So like this, so they like the whatever you want, we can use it. Now I want to start with no, I want to display only dev 9. So now we can use dev star dev. So I want to see here, if I want to pass 4, right? So first 2 characters are 9. It will display only ls ls missing, right? So ls space 9. So it will display only. So for searching purpose, mostly we can use this way. Mostly they can use this way. Now here anyone any doubt? Already we seen, right? So these are the, so these are the, we can use any regular regular expressions. Whatever you want, we can use it. So whatever you want, so we can use it. Whatever you want, we can use it. So we can, right now I use it only this, and coming classes I am using this all or A to Z. Now see here, I want to use A to Z. How to use all? Now see here, same commands only. Just I'm change the pattern. Now we know, right? So I want to A, next hyphen Z, hyphen Z. Now star, star represents any character. Now check it. All it will display. See first all files and it will display directories. Now I am removing star. Now see here. Now see here. Do you get anything? No, right? So A to Z
No.
starts with any character, but I didn't mention how many characters. So that is the reason here I am mentioning star. Star means the file name should be any characters, correct? So, but file name should be starts with A, B, C, D up to Z. All are only lowercase. Suppose if I am passing uppercase, now check it. Touch. Now I'm going to create one file. Touch space. Touch space. I am giving so I am giving so test. Test test dot txt. Test dot txt. Now check it file. So do you create that file was created or not? Now check it. ls a hyphen z, next star, any name. Now can you guess anyone output? What is the output? So now test.txt it will display or not?
No, no, sir.
No, it won't display because here what is my pattern? I want to check only lowercase. I want to check only lowercase. First letter should be only lowercase. Suppose if you want to display only uppercase, so that case. Now see here. Z. Now I given Z. First letter, uppercase. Now clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? What, Ramesh?
No, sir.
Ravani?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, Sharan. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is
Yes.
for searching purpose. Mostly we are using these regular expressions and all. So now we know. For example, so dev touch space. I am giving for example 10.txt. This is my file name 10.txt. File was created. Now I want to display only that file. Starts with number file. Now tell me syntax. ls. mm, I want to display only number files. Number related file name should be numbers. Now how to check it?
0 to 9. Start.
0 to 9. Already here I applied, right? 0 to 9 digits, right? Now 0 hyphen 9. Next star.
Start.
Whatever it may be. Whatever it may be. Okay. Now see here. I don't want so file names. File names should be so number related files. So that case we can use. No, no, I want all. So that case now tell me. Yeah, Z capital A hyphen Z. Now it will display. Now guess it. What is the output? It will display all.
All.
It will display all. Now see here. Number related. Next uppercase related. Lowercase related. All. First letter should be anything. Even number or any uppercase or any lowercase. Whatever it may be. So I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
So now we can use like this also. Now I am using like this, right? So instead of passing like this, now if you want to, we can check it digits also. What is the syntax? So colon di digit colon double okay. Now already we know, right? Now we can check like this way also. Both are same only 0 to 9 also we can pass or if you want to we can pass. No, no, no. So this is a confusion, sir. So this is alternative. Alternative to, so what is this? This is a lower. So A to uppercase. This is alternative to upper. And digits alternative we can pass like this also. Both are same only. Now see here ls. Okay. Colon. Now I am giving upper. Okay. I want only upper. Colon. Okay. Star. Now both are same only. For example, I want to only lower. ls. Okay. Colon. Next. What is this? Lower. 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 Colon. Now both are same. What is this? Lower. Lower spelling correct? No file or directory.
Star, sir.
Okay. Sorry. So I missed star, right? Okay. Star I missed. Now see here. Lower. So now what you understand? Both are same only. So if you want to, we can pass small a to z. Okay. Or we can use colon, lower and colon. Both are same only. Okay. And if you want to upper, so we are validating uppercase. So if you want to, we can use R colon upper colon upper. Digits. If you want to validate any digits and all 0 to 9 also we can pass 0 hyphen 9 or directly we can use this is the syntax di digit colon okay. Both are same only. Both are same only. Whatever you want we can use it. That is based on your right requirement. Now anyone any doubt, guys? Clear?
Yes.
So this is some case mostly for validating, for searching purpose. So mostly we are using these regular expressions and all. So mostly we are using regular expressions and all. So now there is very command. So grep command, that is very important. Interview also, every interview they are asking. So grep command, grep. So now as of now right, many commands. As of now right, so many commands. So how to right. So how to that is create files, remove files, creating directories, removing directories, and so head, lower, more, less. Those all are right. Now I have a file. I have some data. Let me erase this one. New. This is very very important. Today grep command. Intro 99% every interview they are asking grep command. Very 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 important. What is the command? Grep command. So this is very very important. So now see here what is grep. So grep means so mostly we are using so grep is stands for so global search. What is grep for?
Global
Grep
regular
stands for
expression
global.
print.
Yes, sir. Global. Global means I want to search all files. So global regular expressions. Simply global search. Whatever you want, we can call it. Global full form is global regular next expression.
Expression print.
Okay. So this is the full. Simply if you want to say global search. Simply if you want to say global search. So mostly we are using so global. Global means right anywhere. Correct. Global search. Global search means we can search so file anywhere. Now, for example, I have one file. Now I have one file. Now let me come to here. Simple. So if you grep means search in interview many. So every interview they are asking grep 99%. So if they come to Linux 100% they are asking this command. There is 5 to 6 commands is the topmost commands, and so this is the one of the very very important command grep command. Now let me come to here. This is very simple only. Try to understand. Now so let me create one file. So touch space. I am giving so dev or vi. You know right how to create file vi. So dev dot txt. I created file. So how to add content? How to add text? I insert mode. Now I am using C here. For example, I am giving some names and all, whatever it may be, or I am giving for example DevOps. Under DevOps, okay, Maven tools name I am passing Git, Jenkins, Docker, Linux, Linux. Okay, so next Kubernetes. Okay, next Tomcat. Just I given some name. Okay, Nginx. Okay, some names I given. How to save this file? How to save this file? Escape
Escape
colon
colon.
x. Simply if you want to x. Save and quit the file. That's it. Now how to check how to see the content? Cat space file name devapps.txt.
Dot
Now
text.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the grep command? So global search. I want to search the some string. These all are string guys. You know right? String represents group of character. String represents a group of character. Now I want to search one string. This is a file. Now just assume here 10 lines we can usually understand. Okay, that file, that word is available or not. But if we come to, I will create one more file. I will show you later. Now this is very simple, right? Now I want to search one string, whether that string is available or not. That is one word is available or not. This is a command. Grep space, grep space. I given so Jenkins. This is the argument Jenkins. This is my string name. Now what is the file name? devapps.txt. Clear? Now see here, Jenkins is available or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, so now this is string, or we can pass a single quotation also, guys. Both are string only. Even if you pass a single quotation, double quotation, both are, it will treat as a string only. Now, let me edit the update the file. Now update the file vi. How to update the content? Vi. So devapps.txt. Now I insert. Let me add a few more commands. Okay, nginx. Here I am using HTTPD, and also I am using so monitoring tool. Okay, next AWS, and I added a few more data. Okay, a few more lines. Escape colon x. These are basic commands only. Already you know. Now check the content whether it is updated or not. So cat space devapps.txt. This is my file. Now see here. So data is updated. Now I want to search one string. Now what is the command? Grep space string name, whatever string name you want. So now I'm giving now I given so now given so AWS. Okay, file name devapps.txt, devapps.txt. Now see here, do you find any data here, any string, any content to find? No, right?
No,
So
sir.
actually devaps is there, but this is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means, so what is devaps? I passed uppercase or lowercase? Now check it.
Uppercase, sir.
Uppercase. Now see here, so this is uppercase, this is uppercase. Now let me take one more string also. See here, grep space. Now I given so httpd and file name devaps.txt. So I am not getting anything. I am not getting anything because this is the case sensitive. So first letter, what is here? First letter capital H, but here I passed small letter.
Small head.
It won't allow, it won't accept. So that case, sir, I want to search whether it is uppercase or whether it is lowercase. I want to search the string. So that case, we need to pass one more argument. Grep space hyphen I nothing but ignore, ignore case, ignore case. Ignore means, hey, leave it whether that is uppercase or lowercase. Just check it. Okay, AWS is available or not. That is maybe uppercase or maybe lowercase. Just check, ignore. Hyphen I means, what is hyphen I? Ignore.
Ignores.
Ignore means just
Ignore.
leave it whether that is upper or lowercase. Now see here. Suppose if I am not passing hyphen I, now this case case sensitive. It is checking. So same AWS small letter is available or not. So it is not finding anywhere. So it won't display any info output. Now if you want to ignore the case sensitive, ignore the case, that case we need to use hyphen I. Now clear guys? Hyphen is nothing but ignore case, whether that is uppercase or lowercase. I want to check it, that's it. I want to check it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I want to check same multiple files. How to check it? Now see here. Let me create one more file. Now I'm going to create. Now I want to copy the one more file guys. Now what is the command? Tell me. Cat space. So devaps dot txt, and we can use one more file also, devaps one dot txt. Now it will create or not, or directly we can use copy command also. What is the command? Cp devaps dot txt, and so devaps one dot txt, devaps one dot txt. Now you know, right? Now what is happening? You know, right? Copy command. What is the purpose of copy command? Copy the
Copy the
one
content.
file, one
Copy
file
the
content to another
file.
file. Yes, sir. Now devaps one dot txt. Now see here, same data I copied. Now if you want to, we can search string multiple files also. How to search it? Same file. See here, grep space hyphen I am using AWS, and so what are the file names? Devaps dot txt, and so devaps one dot txt. Now clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Now this is the devaps.txt. So that is AWS also available. Devaps 1.txt, AWS also available. Suppose I am passing a different name. For example, I am passing my name. I am passing Rama. So Rama is available or not? Rama.
Not.
No, we are not getting
No.
any
No.
output. We are not getting any output. We are not getting any output. Now anyone any doubt? So if you want to, we can search. If you want to, we can search multiple files also. That case we can pass like this also. So that case we can pass like this also. I hope got it right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to here. So now I want to display the line numbers, guys. Now, as of now, right? So if I use this command, so it is displaying that particular string and all, the particular string and all. So now I want to print line numbers also. Line numbers means that AWS is which line? That AWS is which line? I want to display, right? So this is, for example, AWS, or I am giving Git. What is the Git? Git is available, which line? Third line, right? G grep space, grep space. I am using a Git. I am getting output, but I want to display line numbers also. So that case, there is one more arguments we need to pass, hyphen n, hyphen n, hyphen n. So if you use hyphen n means now we can see line numbers. What is the line number? So what is the line number? Now got it? I means ignore case. Suppose if you want to display that line numbers, if you want to display that line numbers and all, we can. Suppose if you want to pass multiple files, so devapps 1.txt also we can pass it. Now see here. So this file also, what is the line number? Third line. So in this file also, what is the git string? Third line. So anyone any doubt, guys? So line numbers. I means ignore case. So I means ignore case. What is I? Cap hyphen I. Ignore. Ignore case, right? Now what is hyphen n? Line numbers. Okay. So now I want to display file names. I want to display file names. Anyway, here file name it will display. So that case we can use there is one more, or else we can use a help. There is many arguments we can pass it. That is based on requirement, or we can pass, depends on your requirement. Now see here. So now just now I passed. What is I? I means so ignore case. Small I, right? Where is small I? I means ignore case. Suppose if you want to print a W, right? A word. Suppose if you want to file name hyphen user hyphen F we can pass, and so this is the hyphen X matched only lines. So now that is based on, that is many arguments we can pass it. So many arguments we can pass it. So that is if you want to display the version and all, hyphen V, and if you want to count capital M, and if you want to line numbers, I passed hyphen N, right? And if you want to with file name also, capital H, no file name, small h. Now we can pass all these arguments, guys. Now this is the based on requirement, we can pass. We can pass. Now I want to pass. Here I am going to pass. So how many hyphen m? I am passing hyphen m. Now see here n. Now I am passing hyphen m. Now see here invalid max count. Anything missing here? Hyphen m only, right? What is this hyphen m means? How many count? Small m or capital M? Where is that? Let me use hyphen h, file name. Hyphen h. Already file name it is coming. If you don't want file name, we can pass small h. Now see here, if you want to file name, that case we can use hyphen h, capital H. If you don't want file name, that is small h. Now, what there hyphen v, verbose also we can check it. So what is happening, and what is this? Some information. If you want to verbose, right? V is nothing but verbose. Now count. I want to see count. Capital C, small c, right? So if you want to check count, so we can pass C also, count. So if you want to, we can see count. So how many? Suppose let me update the file. Sudo, sorry, vi. I am going to update. Only one count is there, right? Let me add a few more lines. vi devapps c.txt insert I. I'm going to add so few more lines, duplicate lines. Few more lines. I'm adding Docker. I'm using Docker. Here also I'm using Git, and so here also I'm using Docker, and so here also I'm using some duplicate lines. Just I'm adding some duplicate lines. So Linux, okay, and also Linux, okay. Now I added duplicate lines, okay. Escape colon x. Now check it. Now hyphen c means count. So hyphen c count, hyphen c count. Now check it. So now I given a git in devapp.txt two times. It is finding two times. In devaps 1.txt only one time is there. Now check it. Linux command, Linux string, Linux three times is there, right? Linux how many times? Three times. Now see here devaps.txt file. How many occurrences is there? Three times. Devaps 1.txt. How many occurrences is there? One occurrence. Now clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So these are the only remaining. Based on your requirement, we can pass all this. Whatever you want, we can pass it. Whatever you want, we can pass it. And so let me create. This is one thing, right? Now I'm going to create one more thing. Now see here, I'm going to print. So one more thing. I want to create one directory. Inside this directory, this directory, I want to print. So I want to print internal files also. So that case, how can you check it? Now, so already we have, right? Okay. Now mkdir ls. Already we have directory, right? So this is the one directory. Let me go to any one directory. So cd space dev2 dot dev2 directory ls dev2 dev2 directory or file. Okay, this is the only file, not directory. Let me go to sample1 dot directory. cd space sample1 dot sample1 directory ls. So ls. Now I'm going to create two files. So now let me copy and paste it something. Already we have, right? Mm, okay, to go come here and so copy cp copy. So copy devaps.txt, and where you want to copy sample1. Okay, sample1 directory. Now ls. Okay, now cd space sample1. Just I copied the file. That's it, guys. I didn't do anything. Sample1 dot. Okay, ls. Now one file is ls. I don't have anything, not copied. Where I copied cp devaps.txt. Why it is not copied? So now sample sample1. Okay, cannot cp copy devaps, correct one, right? Or else first cat space so dev apps.txt. No file. Dev dv.txt. Oh, sorry. Actually, I'm in pwd. So I'm in this directory, right? So first I need to come outside. So first you need to, here nothing is there. Now see here, nothing is there. First I need to come outside this directory. Now ls. Now here is the file. So here is the file. So devaps.txt cat space. So devaps.txt. Okay. Now, so if you want to copy, we can use cp. So devaps.txt and so sample one. I want to, so same we can use so devaps.txt also. Now, if you want to check it, go and check it. cd space sample one and ls. Now see here cat space, so devapps.txt available. Now let me create one more file here. So vi, so devapps 2.txt, 2.txt. Now I am using insert. I am adding so docker. I am using so docker git maven, and also I am using so Linux. I am using some AWS and all. Okay, let's whatever you want. Escape colon x. So how many files available in this directory? Two files. How many files? Two files.
Two files.
Now I want to search. Come back td dot dot come back ls. So now I want to search entire directory. Maybe in that directory multiple files available, right? So I don't know how many files available. Now I want to search all files. So what is this? So grep. Now I'm checking so maven, and so which directory? Sample1 directory. Sample1 directory. So this is the directory, right? So now directly it won't search it. It won't search in spelling correct or not. Is a directory. Okay. Now if you want to search a directory, we need to pass one argument. What is that argument? For directory, I want to search entire directory. What you need to pass?
D.
D. Yeah? Okay. Hyphen D. So D, not D. D is R. R means recursively. I think R. R means recursively. Capital R. So recursively. Now see here. Recursively means we can see gap hyphen help. 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 Recursively. R is there. What is this? So you can pass smaller also. Recursive. Recursive means hey, this is a directory. So inside the directory, maybe some files available, some directories available, right? Correct? Now I am passing capital R. R we can pass small r. What is R means? Recursively. So this is the directory. So this is the directory. In this directory, maybe 10 files available, 100 files available. I want to check all files. I want to check all files. So that case, we can pass hyphen R. What is hyphen R? Recursively.
Recursively.
Inside the directory, sample1 is the directory. In this directory, I have many files. So if you want to search all files, so that case we need to pass hyphen R recursively. So last interview they asked, they have one directory. In this directory, they have multiple files. And all files they want to search one string. So what is the command? Now tell me what is the command? Last interview they asked this question. They have one directory. In that directory, they have multiple files. Okay. Now they want to search one string all files. Now what is the command?
ls hyphen d.
క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా?
No, sir.
దే హ్యావ్ వన్ డైరెక్టరీ. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డైరెక్టరీ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు నాకు
No, sir.
జస్ట్ నౌ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ వన్ డైరెక్టరీ. జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్ sample1 is the one directory. Okay, sample, correct?
Yes, sir.
ll, this is the one directory. In this directory, how many files available here?
Multiple files available.
ప్రస్తుతానికి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? రైట్ నౌ 2 files.
Two files.
Now what is the question? So they want to search one string
Uh,
all files particular directory. ఈ డైరెక్టరీలో 100 ఫైల్ ఉన్నాయి. 100 ఫైల్లో నాకు ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ ని సెర్చ్ చేయాలి.
Yes, sir.
What is the command?
Yes,
Just
sir.
now we executed, right? Tell me. Grep space
grep space hyphen
hyphen
r,
r
r.
string name whatever it may be. Okay, for example maven, or I am searching Linux. Correct? Linux, Linux. Next, sorry, control D. Okay, grep grep space hyphen r string name Linux, and which directory?
Sample.
This is the
Sample.
country. ఇది వాడు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్.
Yes, sir.
What is missing? Sample 1, right? There is no sample 1 directory. Now see here. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the syntax. If you want to search all files in particular directory or not only any directory, what is the command? The last enter. This is the question. Hyphen R string name, whatever it may be. String name. That is the string name. Okay. Space directory name. Directory name slash. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here? I hope now got it right. Still anyone any
Yes,
idea?
sir.
Okay. So this is very important. Now question is, so I want to search multiple strings. How can I search it? I want to search multiple strings in a file. So how to search it? So as of now, single string we can easily search it, right? Single string we can easily search it. Now search multiple strings, multiple content in a file. Now cat space, so devaps dot txt. Now we have many lines. Clear? Now, as
Yes,
of
sir.
now, right? So grep space. For example, I want to search one string. We can pass which string I can pass get, and so I am giving file name. So up to now there is no doubt. I hope clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, so we can search only particular string. Particular string. Now I want to search multiple string. I want to search git and also I want to search git and also I want to search right maven also or linux also. Now see here, so grep for linux no such file or directory, it is searching only first one. Now I want to search multiple. So if you want to search multiple, so there is a one argument we need to pass. So what is that argument? So this is the hyphen e. If you want to search multiple strings, so that case we need to pass hyphen e. So this is nothing but e grep, guys. E is nothing but right? Check it here. Grep hyphen help. So hyphen help. What is e? So now check it here. Where is e? See here. Use pattern for matching. What is this? Hyphen e. Regression. Okay. Regular expressions pattern. Use pattern for matching. I want to search multiple strings. So that case we can use hyphen e. We guess hyphen e. So some of expressions, some of regular expressions, grep command it won't support. Grep command it won't support. Simply there is one more command is there, egrep. Instead of passing like this, now I pass right. So grep space. Here I am passing hyphen e. I am passing so maven. If you want to search one more string, hyphen e. I am passing Linux. I am passing Linux, and I am giving devaps.txt. Now clear? Now clear? That matching strings and all it is finding. So to overcome this problem, so actually grep is it won't support multiple string. So there is one more command is there, egrep command. Egrep command. So directly we can pass like this. Now see here, Linux. Develops dot. Both are same guys. Both are same guys. Now let me execute same command. Now we see whether it will work or not. Now we know, right? So if you want to search multiple, so we can pass like this. Now I don't want to use E. Simply we can use egrep. Now no need to use hyphen E. No need to use hyphen E. So directly we can search it. What is this? Linux. It is uppercase or lowercase? directly we can use if one string git only, right?
మార్పు
Linux,
అండ్ పైప్ సింబల్ వాడాలి మధ్యలో.
I missed that one. Wait. Here, right?
ఎస్ మిడిల్
R.
విత్ ఓపెన్ బ్రేస్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్రేస్ బిఫోర్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్.
Before. Okay, wow.
బిఫోర్ గిట్.
Okay. So here,
ఎస్.
ఫస్ట్ సార్.
ఆఫ్టర్
okay.
లైనెక్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ లైనెక్స్. At middle
Now
pipe symbol.
symbol. Now here also. Now clear.
Yes.
Space.
ఎస్ సార్.
Space. Okay. Now R. So now R means it will check, right? So git and also matching and all Linux also. Now bad command, something missing. Grep. Wait. It is also hanging. Control C. Or else we can check it grep. Grep hyphen I git or Linux, or else we can check it grep Linux command. So we can pass these are the expressions. We can pass regular expressions. So and or but does not support transaction. Still we are using a star and all. So graph options, graph vector. So they are passing outside. Okay, let me check it. Old, new. Okay. Now come to here. What is the syntax? They are using. Okay, and the same way. Now remove this one. Now remove this one. Now remove this one. Now is it okay? How they are passing grep.
Now it is okay.
Okay, now it will work. So if you don't know anything, so grep dev app, where is output? E pattern, E pattern. Quit. Let me go back. So Linux grep and with example, we need syntax. How it will work? So grep searching string. Then is searching string. They are passing. Okay, one is okay. We want multiple strings, right? So file pattern, single pattern. They are passing hyphen R, capital R. Multiple strings where they are passing small l, only single they are passing.
Remove quotations.
Or we can add inner.
Try it once. Okay, now add inner.
Now we'll add it. Single quotation, add it. Grep. First, let me check one word. Grep git. I'm checking single word whether it is working or not. Git. So here no problem. Now we want to search multiple strings. So now we want to search multiple strings. How can you pass it?
Try to give double quotation.
Wait. Or we can pass like this grep. Okay, a graph. Okay, this is flower bracket or this bracket? I don't know.
Normal bracket.
Okay, normal bracket, all right. So gate, I think no space, Linux, and close. Okay, so what here problem? We given
Only
space,
quotations problem. Double quotation problem.
quotation, and also we given space also, right? Let me check a
Space
single,
also valid.
whether it will work or not.
Now working.
Okay, we can pass anyway, single quotation or double quotation. So now see here, instead of passing multiple e's and all, so simply we can pass. So what is here? Coming to here. So E graph directly. So what? We can pass single quotation, whatever we want, single quotation enter, and so get like this we can search multiple strings. So Linux. Okay. If you want to ignore case and all, hyphen I. This is common. Hyphen I. I don't want to. So ignore case, whether it is uppercase or whether it is lower case. So if you want to search, so that case we can use this one. Okay. So the grep command, it won't support all regular expressions and all. Few regular expressions it will support. Few things it won't support. So that case we can use a egrep. There is one more command is also there, fgrep and all. So we'll see next class. So how it will work. Now clear guys, anyone any doubt as of now? So this is very important. So grep command, most of the cases they are asking interview. So I want to search one string file. So what is the command? I want to search one string. So there is multiple files. How to search it? And so these are the arguments. So these are the arguments. So mostly I won't remember all these things based on my requirement. I am go to help only. So grep space if you give help means, so here it will display many arguments, right? So we cannot remember all these things. Depends on requirement. So whatever I need, just I am passing, I am executing that commands only. But some of basics and all we can remember. Hyphen R means recursively, and right. So that word and also that verbose that. So these many arguments we can pass it. That is up to you guys. This is not mandatory all. So depends on the requirement. We can pass any arguments. If you want to count, I we can pass hyphen C. Suppose I don't want, I am not using any count or file names L. So those these things we can pass it. Clear? So anyone any doubt as of now? So next class we'll see a few more options also available, and so that graph extend that is one more command also is there. Next class we'll see. So that, but this is very important graph command. So how to search content in our file? How to search a particular content in our file? So these many ways we can search it, and so already I sent a document, right? So go to that document and all commands available, and whatever if you have any doubt, refer that document. Still if you have any doubt, we can ask. Okay, clear guys?
Yes.
Okay, so that's it from my side.